company today runs on technology. And the people who truly drive impact are the ones who understand how to deploy strategically across an entire organization. That's exactly what Stevens Information Systems major prepares you to do. You'll learn to apply artificial intelligence, data analytics, and computer science to real business problems, not through just textbooks and case studies, but through actual hands-on experience. You'll build and deploy technologies like agentic AI systems and develop the strategic mindset to translate what technology can do into what a business actually needs. The result is a graduate who speaks the languages of business and technology fluently. You'll be equally comfortable recommending a technology strategy to senior leadership and rolling up your sleeves to execute it. From your first year through your senior design capstone, the curriculum is built around applied projects that mirror the challenges you'll face in the workforce. You'll graduate with a portfolio of real work, not just a transcript. Our graduates go on to roles as business analysts, data scientists, and consultants, across industries from finance to tech. At Stevens, information systems isn't about choosing between business and technology, it's about mastering both. Connect with us today.